Have a look at that. Weather's a little dismal. Yeah. That's why I've got the shed cheap, I suppose, because it's a piece of shit that fills up full of water. Yeah. What do you do? Yeah. Doesn't matter what my shit's worth. Landlord still wants the money. But it's not a lot you can do when the dirt at the back of that wall is as high as that grinder. And there should actually be a sump drain put out the back between the premises, but there isn't. A couple of shitty bits of PVC pipe were there before I moved in. Look at this shit. We fixed the wall. He used to come over the top up here. He used to come over in that join there. So we fixed that and we've still got this shit. And with the rental crisis in Australia and the fact that everybody in this country wants more and more money because their payments are going up, we all have to pay more. So for me to move out of this lovely little shed, I have to pay double what I pay now. Then I'll have to charge more. Then I'll lose customers. Oh yeah. The burnt car's nearly all back together. Yeah. Look at this shit. I might just cut a bigger hole in the concrete. There's a trench under here. I might actually just cut a huge trench just to make it work. Well, hopefully I'll wake up a duck.